Akiaria hindi ya kuhingura kambi ya GICIGO gicigo-ini gia Tiaty kaunti-ini ya Baringo, Minista wa UGITIRI wa THIINI Kithure Kindiki akinyiriirie ati thirikari ni ihotorete kuhukia ciiko cia wici wa mahiu iria ikoretwo igitwarithio na mbere kaunti-ini ino. Augite mbara ino ndiratwarithio na njira ya muthutukanio wa kinduriri, indi thirikari irang'ethanira na andu kiumbe aria maranyamaria muingi.
We believe that criminals are individuals, and security agencies that we bring here today, their task is to hunt down and arrest, prosecute, and deal with criminals as individuals.
Kindiki nioritie honge cia ugitiri gutwarithia mihang'o ino ya kung'ethanira na itoi cia wici wa mahiu na njira ya uigiririki, na oho gutigirira aria othe marakuruhanio na wikinai ni mang'ethanirwo nao kiwatho.
Special unit we are bringing here is not a unit to punish the people of Tiaty or the people of Baringo. It is a unit to protect the lives and properties of the many people who live in this area who are law abiding.
Maya magithiaga na mbere ruhonge rwa igoti ni rwiranire kuhingura igoti ria gutuithania macira megemaine na wici wa mahiu o undu umwe na macira ma migunda gicigo-ini gia Tiaty West kaunti-ini ino ya Baringo. Kuringana na muingi mwena uyu, kuhingurwo kwa igoti riu gugukorwo gukihuthia thabari ya kilomita makiria maigana rimwe iria muingi wohaga magithie gwetha kihoto magoti-ini matiganite.
Apparently the children and women here, when they come in conflict with the law for the children and women offenders, the only holding facility is in Nakuru.
Ruhonge rwa igoti mwena uyu hamwe noguo maugite ni maranyitanira na thirikari ya kaunti hari gutigirira muingi ni wamukira kihoto gutari gucerithirio, kuria maiguithaniirie waki wa igoti ria Marigat ni gukorwo ukiambiriria ihinda-ini o riothe.
Judiciary is spread all over the country and it requires massive support on both infrastructure and also facilitate the judicial officers to be able to move in a safe and convenient manner.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.